What's going on, fellow entrepreneurs? In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can scale from zero to over $3,000 per day outsourcing simple services around the world internationally. One of the most newest ways to make money online in 2022 and one of the most misunderstood ways to make money online in 2022. I'm going to give you one of the most updated and effective ways of making money online without performing any first-hand work. I know people personally who've made six figures plus in 1 month doing this. I've personally made over $40,000 in my highest month doing this. I'm going to show you some results now from that month. And this can also be done completely for free. You can use paid strategies, but in the beginning, if you don't want to spend any money, you can do this completely for free. And I'm going to show you a live example of one of my businesses. So most people do not want to spend any money on these kind of strategies. So I've put together a way for you where you don't have to spend any money on this. But if you want to scale fast, I do recommend a couple of paid tools down the line. I'm also going to give to you an entire 57 video intensive training on this at the end of this video. So I recommend if you want that, make sure to watch this video until the end so that you understand this concept first before diving into that. And I'm also going to put together every single step that you need to know in today's easy video. So this video is really suitable for beginners. If you've never heard of this before, I'm going to hold your hand throughout this entire process. This is going to be a longer video than most of the videos that I upload on my YouTube channel, simply because this is a more in-depth course with a ton more value. So if you don't want to miss this, I really recommend add this to your watch later if you can't watch this right now. But without further ado, I'm going to get straight into this. So the first thing I want to show you is a business that I've been doing in this strategy for the past, I would say, 2 months. And I want to show you results from last month, that is March 2022 over here. So in this particular business, I'm selling services and outsourcing services around the world without even doing that service firsthand myself. In March 2022, I hit over 425 sales, only one refund, which is an excellent refund to order ratio, with a total of $45,000 revenue and a net profit of $44,000, and at an average of $111 per customer that is bought from my services. So I'm just going to reload this to show you that this is my live dashboard and my live sales analytics from this particular store over here. I'm not showing my whole screen because my address and that is on this page, so that's why I'm just zooming into the analytics. But just to give you an idea, this is what is achievable with this kind of strategy. So the first thing we're going to go and do is we need to go and identify the perfect service that we can outsource with this. So what I go and do is I use professionals of marketplaces like Fiverr.com. You can also go and use freelancer.com. You can just go to Google and type here best freelance websites, click on enter. There will be a first link over here. The first link over here is more than good enough. 16 best freelance websites in 2022. Just come and open this up in a new tab and you can go and choose from any of these. As you can see, Fiverr is listed at number 1. That's why I only really stick to Fiverr. They have the best experts that I've personally found. And if you, for example, come over to any one of these categories, let's just come over to WordPress, it will pop up with the menu bar over here. Now, technically, you can go and start a agency or a business, a corporate business in any one of these niches listed over here and make money off of that. My favorite niche is programming and tech, as here you will find very high income skills and services where you can get paid up to thousands of dollars per project that you do. You can start a music and audio agency where you do voiceovers for people, dialogues, music transcriptions, DJ drops and tags. You can mix songs for different DJs. You've got video and animation business, and you can have a look at all the subcategories over here. I recommend focus on the new ones. For example, NFT automation. That's a business you can start in your local area. And because that's such a new and booming industry right now, you're pretty bound to get a lot of sales quickly. Writing and translation, digital marketing, also a very good category, and graphic and design. I'd like to stick to graphic and design because this is a very saturated market. My favorite two, definitely digital marketing, programming and tech, and also video and animation. So for example, I think a good idea that I'm going to use for today's video is NFT animation over here, as this is quite a new service trending in today's world, especially with NFTs and the whole launch of them that recently started, and how people are making six figures with NFTs. A lot of people want to get involved into this space. So we can go and create a business that solves these problems. As a business needs to have solutions to problems, that's how you make money. So over here we can go and find, let me just go and add this to United States dollars so we can understand the pricing of these services. So over here, when it comes to looking for services, I usually go and look for anybody that has a Fiverr's choice. That's very good. That means they've been recommended by Fiverr personally. That has nothing less than 4.9 stars and that has nothing less than 100 reviews. That means a lot of people have ordered from them. Every single person has added 5 stars, and I also don't order from anyone that is less than level 2, because then I know their services are good, their delivery is quick, obviously got very good reviews, so all of the clients are happy. That means they will have top-notch quality services for you as well. So now that we've got a service in mind, I'm going to keep this open in a new tab over here. And we're going to leave this here for now. You'll notice they've got 3 different packages. So how we're going to go about this is we're going to go and create our own landing page. Now I want to show you an example of a business that I know is doing this. One of my close friends actually called oneuptech.co.za, which is a website that sells web development packages, hosting packages, and all they do is if you come over to the shop or the pricing over here, on their website, you can take a look at some of their services. They've got computer assist services with remote plans, call-out plans, and a full-day techie. You've got email hosting, for example, basic email plan, standard email plan, pro email plan, web hosting plans over here at certain amounts per month, website packages, which is website design at certain packages a month, and CRM packages, and they're offering any kind of services. You can have a look over here. But I want you to take notice, all of this is outsourced. Every single order that we get on this website, we don't make these websites ourselves. We outsource through professionals. For example, if I come over to Fiverr and someone orders a premium website from me at 10,000 Rand, which is about $800, all I would do is I would come over to Fiverr and just go and search website design or anything that's got to do with, let's just go website design. I would go and pay a professional on Fiverr.com, for example, $130, and I would keep over $600 in my pocket while this person makes my clients' websites, and I will just grab my website from them once it's done and transfer that to my clients. And that way, I've outsourced the work from Fiverr to my client, and I've kept over $600 in my pocket. The reason why I'm able to do that is because of branding. Now what I did was over here, I created a very professional corporate looking website, which obviously looks a lot more professional than that of a simple Fiverr gig, and just really increased the overall brand look and presence of this type of business, which is why people will naturally think my work quality is good, so therefore they're willing to spend more on my service. So that way I'm able to put up 400 to 700% markup on my prices. So this is a good example over here. Now I want to show you 2 tools that you can go and do to create a website like this. Firstly, we've got WordPress.com, which is the free way. I'm going to give you a full video on this later at the end of this video. So over here you can see WordPress.com, you can start creating your website for free, or you can use the paid tool that I use also because they have email automation, which is a great way to keep all your leads that land on your landing page in one simple audience, which is your email subscriber list, where you can update them on new services, maybe coupons that you release in the future. So this website is called Kartra.com. I just spelled it wrong, but the first link over here, Kartra.com. So this is a website where you can create your own checkouts, your own pages, your own leads, your own funnels and campaigns already done for you, which I recommend for this. Kartra email automation, your own membership areas if you want to sell private information in courses, Kartra surveys and quizzes, Kartra videos, Kartra help desks. You can create your own affiliate programs, Kartra forms, calendars, marketplace. You can have your own marketplace, integrations and API with payment gateways such as Stripe and PayPal. You can create your own agency online as well. So personally, I use this plan over here. I use the gold plan, but I recommend as a starter, you can use the starter plan over here. They also have an excellent affiliate program. Like I said, if you do want to use WordPress with this, at the end of this video, I'm going to give you an entire section just on WordPress. But this particular video today, we're going to be talking about Kartra simply because it's the best tool for this. So once you've signed up for Kartra and got your Kartra account, which I will leave a link down below if you want to get over $5,000 of bonuses with this, which I'll leave a link down below if you want to go and try this for a free trial without actually paying for it your first month. But I want you to click on my campaigns over here. This is the most epic part of this tool. You can go and import done for you campaigns without having to build all of these assets and campaigns manually. So you can actually import done for you themes, done for you pages, done for you email marketing sequences, all connected to one campaign. So for example, one of my favorite affiliate marketing and drop servicing campaigns that I like to use over here is the product launch page over here, especially if you're starting a new business and you're launching your new service in, for example, the NFT video and animation niche over here. You can go and import the product launch campaign on Kartra.com, go and design your pages. What I recommend is before going to start designing any of your pages on Kartra, instead of me showing you, Kartra has professional videos for this completely for free. So that way, on Kartra, if you come over to the Kartra Nord training portal over here, it's like a little graduation hat at the top right of your profile. It will take you to the Kartra Nord training, and they will literally go through with you how to drag and drop different elements on pages. For example, how to create your own products, how to create your own affiliates, accessing your product analytics, your communications. They teach you about leads, communications, and analytics, your pages, how to design your own pages, how to add your own pages, your campaigns over here, how to build and go through your different campaigns and how to set them up. So they have training for each and every feature that Kartra offers you. And now for me to show you all of this in one YouTube video would be at least about 20 hours long videos. So that's why I'm rather going to give you access to this, so that you can watch this at the end of this video if you do decide to try Kartra. But once you've done that, you can go and add your product launch campaign over here. And this is more or less what I designed this page into over here. And it's as simple as this. I get traffic to my pages over here. People place an order, for example, the web plan, premium website plan of $10,000 or even $3,000, or 3,000 Rand, sorry, which is about $250. I would come over to Fiverr and just pay someone, for example, $75 to design this exact same website that my client has requested from me for 300% less. And I would keep over $200 in my pocket without even doing any of that work yourself. So an easy way to really go and get started with promoting this, I find, is go and create a Facebook page. Because what I love about Facebook, you can create a simple post offering your new launch of NFT video animation and run simple ads on that. If I just come over to my business page and run simple ads, for example, here's one of my pages. A great way I use to grow my own page, which leads to sales of my products, is I post YouTube and I post Facebook Reels. For example, my one reel over here got reached over 328,000 people, 11k likes. So I'm posting valuable content on my page to grow my page, which then my page offers my services. So that way I'm able to get tons of traffic from my Facebook page over here, which this one got over 300,000 views, which definitely got me a couple of sales, to my pricing and my products over here. So what you can do is on Facebook, if you're a newbie, is go and create these Facebook Reels on, you can use TikTok as well, just to give people like 30-second clips. You literally record your screen on the best tools to create a website. You can review different tools like how to import a done for you website, go to Kartra, import this campaign and done for you. And you can literally give people tutorials on that. Or if you want to really directly promote, is you can go and create a little post that is announcing the launch of your new service, which is in this case NFT and animation for the example of this video. And you can boost that post. I know if you go to maybe Google and you type in Facebook ad coupon, I'm sure you will find one somewhere. So over here, redeem a Facebook ad credit over here for your first post or your first ad, and you can redeem some ad credits and you can boost that post in your local area. I recommend start local in the beginning, build a brand in your local area, wherever you're from, start your own business. And as time goes by and you're getting a lot of sales and the income is decent, you can scale to international markets and start promoting internationally. You can also go and use Facebook Marketplace to go and post your services, but I recommend build your own Facebook page, because that way you can build an audience, you can have people follow you, get updates, and then remember your funnel that you've imported from Kartra over here also has done for you leads, email automation. So all of your leads from your Facebook page, you're also collecting in your product launch campaign. What I'm going to do is to really help you out with this and give you a 57 intensive training program on this. So over here, I want to show you this landing page over here where I go through all the results from my top performing stores. I go through each and every module and video that's in this course. I go through all the bonuses that you get in the 7-minute video over here on this page. So everything is completely transparent with this. There's no hiding what's in this course before you actually enter it. So over here right now, this course goes for about $397, but I'm going to take that all the way down to just $29. I'm going to give this course to you at cost price, which is literally my monthly host fee for this course. I'm hardly making any profit on that, simply because I want you guys to get the most value from this. And only you guys watching this video and seeing this today only has access to this. This is not being promoted anywhere else. I've got a couple of people who've sent me screenshots of their results over here in the past. I've got all these bonuses over here. For example, my winning Google Ads and drop servicing combo, full-time and lifetime access, my email marketing and drop servicing 60-day super sequence combo, saving thousands with drop servicing hidden secrets, a free traffic module, and creating the ultimate brand that will sell your services even more, and drop servicing without a website bonus, study, and lecture. And I also give to you my done for you drop servicing agency given to you through Kartra. So over here, that done for you drop servicing agency, if I come over to my campaigns, I've got an entire drop servicing campaign that I've created for you guys for this course that you can go and claim. So over here, I will leave a link to this landing page over here on the pinned comment and in the first link in the description with the coupon that you need to enter on the checkout to take this all the way down from $397 to just $29. So what I recommend is I'm also going to leave my free playlist on the screen over here on drop servicing, which will give you tons. I've got about 40 videos in this playlist, which will also teach you different ways of how to drop service on WordPress and all sorts of platforms. So if you're not ready to go and enter this course, I recommend go and click this playlist over here on one of the sides of the screen. But if you're ready to enter this course, make sure to hit the link down below and I'll see you over there.